Check out the fantastic time lapse for sale in Uvalde, Texas. This 2016 Cessna Citation Latitude is an exceptional value at $30,995,000, offering stunning cosmetics, up-to-date inspections, and only 1,745 hours total time, though it experienced minor hangar rash during a windstorm, resulting in a few small punctures. These were professionally repaired by SkyWay MRO, formerly Sierra Industries, renowned citation experts. The aircraft's Pratt Whitney engines are covered under ESP Gold, and the APU is enrolled on MSP, adding further peace of mind. With seating for 11 and a nearly $1 million savings over comparable models, this Latitude is a smart buy before the market catches on. Contact Avacquire LLC today to learn more.